$8,372 on this beautiful FLHX. With a 103 twin cam V-twin engine. Mysterious red with 6-speed transmission. Does have stock pipes, but the baffles have been taken out. That's what that sound is. Just trying to wonder what it was. A Rockford Forsgate speakers on the bags and the inner fairing. USB port to plug in your phone or a memory stick for music. This is a 2015 model. Custom rims. Custom mirrors. Shape here is very interesting. Halogen headlights. Engine guard, steel braided cables, and clutch. The clutch is not steel braided, excuse me. I am mistaken, it is a hydraulic clutch, however. Again, 8,372 miles on this beautiful machine here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, mysterious red color. Plenty of room in the hard saddlebags. Floorboards, passenger pegs, lockable forks, lockable saddlebags. Really interesting handlebars that curve in an interesting position. Very forward instead of just coming straight up. I mean, excuse me, just instead of coming back a little bit more, they go out just enough and then straight up. Anyways, beautiful machine. Come on by for a test ride today. It's the only way you're going to understand exactly what I'm saying. It's a beautiful experience. Come on by. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you would like to see next.